This tutorial shows you how to fix subtitles that are overlapping due to computer or human error inside the social video editing screen. First, click on the subtitles box, hit the View button. Here you can see all of the subtitles that are present in the project. Tap on the rightmost button and the More Options icon. Then again, on the rightmost button, which is the Verify button, that will ultimately verify these subtitles. Here you can see that there are 30 time range overlaps found. When you scroll through, you'll notice the highlighted items are the issue. Once you find them, in order to fix them, all you need to do is switch over to time view. So these two subtitles both have the end time that is the same. So let's focus on the second one here. Increase the start time by 100 milliseconds. Once you do that, you'll re-verify them and you'll see that these subtitles are no longer overlapping. Let's do that for the rest until there are no overlaps left.